Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to find out exact model number of your laptop. So let's begin the tutorial. So to find out, go to start menu and type here run, or you can open it by pressing Win key and R from your keyboard and type here MS Info 32 and click OK. Now you will see here exact model of your laptop. And another way you can find out the exact model is by using command prompt. So open command prompt application by clicking on start menu and type here command prompt, open it, and in the command prompt windows type this command system SYSTE and press enter. And here you will find all the details of your computer, including your laptop model number. So in this way you can find out exact model number of your laptop. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.